Discover a tantalizing culinary experience with Domino's. This is your chance to indulge in irresistible flavors while saving big. Presenting an exclusive offer designed just for new customers. Unlock the benefits of the huge 2690 promo code today. A generous discount of 300 rupees awaits you. Simply meet the minimum order value of rupees 500. This is not just a discount. This is your gateway to gourmet excellence. Enjoy this offer not once but twice on your first two orders. Whether you crave classic margherita or a spicy pepper barbecue chicken, Domino's delivers your favorites with a promise of quality and freshness. Here's how it works. Download the Domino's app for seamless ordering. Browse the menu brimming with the savory delights. Add items to your cart, ensuring the total cost exceeds 500 rupees. Apply the promo code HUGE2690 at checkout. Voila! Witness 300 rupees vanish from your bill in seconds.